Hello students. Today I'm doing this video because you will miss the evening class today because of the power cut. So I thought to send the lesson what I plan to do today evening as a video like this. Right? Okay, then let's start from the place where we have stopped. In your lesson 1, number patterns, we have fully discussed exercise up to exercise 1.3. Miscellaneous exercise solutions I will send via a video like this. And then fractions lesson also I have fully completed. And I have remained to discuss exercise 3.2. I will do that also within another video and send you in future. Right. So today from this video, I'm going to explain you lesson 2 binary numbers. Take your text page number 16, lesson 2 binary numbers. Right? Hope I just recall what you have learned in previous grades about numbers, because this binary numbers lesson is new for you. So you have to learn this very well. Binary numbers means base 2 numbers. Right? Base 2 numbers, like there are some number types. So normally in our day-to-day life, we are using numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are using numbers. In our day-to-day life, the numbers what we use like this way are called decimals. Right? Now don't think decimals mean that dashama කියලා හිතන්න එපා. එතකොට මේක පැටලෙනවා. හරි? Base 10 numbers, there's another word called decimals. Right? Base 10 numbers, there's another word called decimal. මම ඔය වචනෙත් එක්ක ඔයගොල්ලෝ පැටලෙන නිසා ඔයගලන්ට දැන් ඉඳලා decimal numbers කියන හැම වෙලේම base 10 numbers කියලා කියනවා. ඒකට හේතුව ඔයගොල්ලෝ decimals කියපු ගමන් හිතනවා මේ දශම සංඛ්‍යා කියලා. හරි? Decimals කියන්නේ base 10 numbers. ඒ කියන්නේ 10 පාදයේ සංඛ්‍යා. Right? මේ numbers වලට අපි කියන්නේ base 10 numbers. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් ඉතින් කියන්න පුළුවන් decimals within one word decimals. දශම සංඛ්‍යා කියන එක නෙවෙයි. හරි? මේ වලට අපි කියන්නේ decimal numbers කියලා. Right? The මේවා තමයි අපි normally in our day-to-day life the numbers with what we are learning are decimals. Right? Base 2 numbers කියන්නේ ඒවල base එක 2. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ base 2 numbers වලට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ binary numbers. Base 2 numbers are called binary numbers. එතකොට මේකේ වෙනස වෙන්නේ base 2 numbers are called binary numbers. Base 2 numbers කිව්වොත් base 2 numbers වලට අයිති වෙන්නේ 1 and 0 කියන digits දෙක විතරයි. Right? දැන් අපි හිතමුකෝ for example if we say right, if we say base 3 numbers, එහෙමත් තියෙන base 3, base 4, base 5 ඔහොම කිය numbers තියෙනවා. Base 4 numbers කිව්වොත් 0, 1, 2 කියන digits අයිති වෙනවා. අපි කියමුකෝ base 4 numbers කියලා. So if we say base 4 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 ඔන්න ඔය විදිහට තමයි යන්නේ. ඔහොම ගිහිල්ලා අපි කිව්වොත් base 8 numbers කියලා. Base 8 numbers වලට 0 to 7 digits අයිති වෙනවා. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ඔන්න ඔය වගේ තමයි යන්නේ. මේ ටික අපිට වැඩක් නැහැ. අපි මේ lesson එකෙන් කතා කරන්නේ base 2 numbers and how base 2 numbers and decimal numbers. How to convert a base 2 number into a decimal number and decimal number into a base 2 number. Those things we are talking about in this lesson. Right. Now let's move to the heading Lesson 2. Binary numbers. Have the heading, children. Right? This video is not just to watch while writing, while getting your notes, examples, and while working. Right, time to time you pause the video and get the note. Right. Our heading is lesson 2, binary numbers. Right. I'll further recall another thing what you have learned in previous grades. You have learned how to draw an abacus. Now here there are 4 rods. So we can say this is the ones and this is like tens. This rod is like tens and this rod is like hundreds and this rod like thousands, we can say. Instead of telling ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, we can say 10 to the power 0. This is 10 to the power 1. This is 10 to the power 2. This is 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 0 equals to 1. No, 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 to the power 2 is 100. 10 to the power 3 is 1000. So like this way, for decimal numbers, you know how to draw abacus, how to draw an abacus, right? So like this, for binary numbers also, there is a way of drawing abacus. So when we draw abacuses for binary numbers, now just assume we have 4 rods like this way. Then first rod for 2 to the power 0. Next 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 4. Like by the multiples of tens, we won't label the rods of the binary number abacuses, right? So here 2 to the power 0 means 1. Here 2. Here 4. Here 2 to the power 3, that is 8. 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. You have to know about these things also. So please recall what you have learned in previous grades. Then comparatively, we can learn binary numbers and decimal numbers throughout this lesson. Right. Now, once you were taken the heading, go to the subheading 2.1. Expressing numbers in the binary number system. Expressing numbers in the binary number system. Right. First of all, we have to know what are the numbers in the binary number system. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 3 is 2 to the power 2, no, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8. So like this, you please continue this till 2 to the power 9. Yeah, 2 to the power 9 value will be 512. I hope you all know how to get this value. 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 we have to multiply by 4 times. If you are given 2 to the power 4, don't go to multiply 2 times 4. It's wrong. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Like this way multiply. If it is 2 to the power 5, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Like that, 2 you have to multiply by 5 times. Right. Now, you take up to 2 to the power 3 and leave the space to take up to 2 to the power 9 later. Right, hope you have taken. Now, let's move to the next heading. Not heading, we'll do an example. Write 13 as a base 2 number. Or in other words, binary number. Write 13 as a base 2 number or a binary number. Right. 13 means a decimal number. Normally, 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise count karanne. Ehema number එක. Right. Now, let's see how to write number 13 as a binary number. This is how we are doing. We have to start division in this way by 2. Then when we divide 13 by 2, it is 6. We have a remainder of 1. We put it like this way. Then again we divide by 2. When we divide 6 by 2, it's 3. No remainders. Then we put 0. Then this 3 again we divide by 2. 3 divided by 2, 1, and there's remain 1. So like this, now this is over. Right from this is over. Right? Then we write these values like 1, 1, 0, 1. In that way we are writing. So 13, this is a decimal number. So that's why base I wrote. Then this way we are writing. This is the order. Okay, don't start from the top to bottom. Bottom to top we are continuing 1, 1, 0, 1. And as this is base 2 number, like this way, small manner, we want to write 2. Right, this is how writing decimal number 13 as a base 2 number or as a binary number. Now let's learn how to represent this in a abacus. So there must be 4 rods. Right, there should be 4 rods. This much not needed, right? Then 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Then this is 2 to the power 0. They are having 1. This place for 2 to the power 1, it's 0. So don't put any number. This place for 2 to the power 2, 1 ball. And here also 1 ball. So this is how we are representing number 13 as a, this is 1, 1, 0, 1. This is how we represent this in a abacus. Okay. Now I'm giving you, this is example 1. I would like to tell you to write 20. Right? Write 20 as a base 2 number and you want to represent it in an abacus like this way. Okay, all of you please do it. Okay, children, hope all of you have done 20 as a binary number. Right, as our previous example, you can get the question, write 20 as a base 2 number. Right, so how to do 20? First divide by 2, then 10, no remainder, so put 0. Again 10 divided by 2, 5, no remainders. Again 5 divided by 2, 2 times 2 is 4, there's remain 1. Then again 2 divided by 2, 1, remain 0. Then start to write bottom to top. Once you write, don't just write 20 base 10 equals to 1, 0, 1, 00. Then you can show this in an abacus. Here for the abacus come in 5 rods. You can label them as 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and as 2 to the power 4. Then this 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So first 2 rods, no numbers. Here 1 ball, here 1 ball. This is the way of representing binary 20 in an abacus. So like this way, you all should find 22, 32, and 154. Please do these alone. And when you do these 3, no need to draw abacuses. Just convert these decimal numbers into binary numbers. And once you turn your textbooks, you can see the answers for them. And without looking at your textbooks, please do these three alone. Once you do these three alone, you can attempt on exercise 2.1. Now, all of you, you just pause this video and complete exercise 2.1 and wait. Then we can move to the next heading, converting binary numbers into decimal numbers. Okay, children, hope all of you have fully completed exercise 2.1 and I'm sending those answers later for you. And feel free to ask any questions, any doubts what you get throughout this video by contacting me personally via WhatsApp messages or calls. Right. Now let's move to 2.2, converting binary numbers into decimal numbers. Take the heading. You take the heading, children. After the heading, let's move to example 1. Write as a decimal number the following binary numbers. Write as a decimal number the following binary numbers. Right. A 1101. Right, always once you write a binary number, you have to write 2, not with another color, right? Just write 2 like this way. Now this binary number you want to convert into decimal number. How to do this? You just with a gap write this in this way. Then you know that this is 2 to the power 0. This value represents 2 to the power 1. This value represents 2 to the power 2. And this value represents 2 to the power 3. Okay, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. So, 2 to the power 0 means 1. No? 2 to the power 0 means 1. Then 1 times 1, 1 times 1 is 1. Then 2 to the power 1 is 2, but 2 times 0, then 2 times 0 is 0. Next, 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. This one. Next, 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Right? Then you can get the addition of this. I don't have the space to get the addition down. So I'm writing here it 30. So this is decimal 30. Right? This is how we are converting a given binary number as a decimal number. Hope all of you have well understood this. We'll move to another example. B. Think you're given 101100. This is a binary number. Then how to do? With a gap, you write these numbers. So this is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. Once you practice to write these things, no need to have arrow marks like this way. Straight away you can do. Then 2 to the power 0 means 1. 1 times 0, here just 0. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 times 0, 0. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 1, 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 times 1, 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16 times 0, 0. 2 to the power 5 is 32 times 1, 32. Now we have to get the sum of this, no? Then 32 plus 8 is 40, 44. So this number is decimal 44. I hope all of you have fully understood how to convert a given binary number into a decimal number. Now, by this knowledge, you all can attempt on exercise 2.2. Okay, children, hope all of you have fully completed exercise 2.2. Let's move adding binary numbers. Have the heading, adding binary numbers. Right. We'll learn this part also with an example. It's easy. Example 1. Simplify. Normally, these questions are given under the tag of simplify. Right? You're asked to simplify 101 plus 10. These are two binary numbers. Right. So normally these numbers are, when these numbers are given across manner, you write this downwards, then it is easy. It is base 2. Always you have to put base 2. Then how to add? 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. And this one we just write. So here the answer is 1, 1, 1, base 2. This is how we are doing this. Right. Now let's move to another example. Think you have to simplify 101 plus 1. Right. This is a bit different than the first example. This is your second. 101 base 2, add 1. Now 1 plus 1, 2. But we won't write 2. Okay? 2 means 1, 0. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ දැන් 1 plus 1 2 කියලා දාන්න බෑ. මම lesson එකේ මුලදීම ඔයගලන්ට කිව්වා මතක ඇති. අපි base 2 numbers කිව්වොත් මම මේ page එක erase කරලා වගේ අපි base 2 numbers කිව්වොත් අයිති වෙන digits දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ 1 and 0. base 3 කිව්වොත් 0 1 2. Right, base 2 කිව්වොත් 0 and 1 digits විතරයි එන්නේ 2 වෙන්න බෑ. එතකොට 2 කියන්නේ අපි 2 වලින් මේක divide කළොත් 1 0 නේ. ඒතර decimal 2 කියන්නේ binary වලින් 102. අපිට ඕක ඔළුවේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් මෙතන answers වලදී 1 plus 1 2 2 කියන්නේ 1 and 0. එතකොට අපි 0 දානවා 1 remain වෙනවා. ඒ 1 එක මෙතෙන්ට දාගන්න. 1 plus 0 මෙතන 1 මෙතනත් 1. එහෙනම් answer එක වෙන්නේ 110. ඒ විදිහට තමයි මේ type එකේ questions කරන්නේ. මේක හොඳට ඔළුවට ගන්න. right නැත්නම් චුට්ටක් අපිව පැටලෙනවා. ඊළඟට ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ book එකේ page number 22 bottom example 1 යටතේ ගණන් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ දෙක මුලින්ම ඔයගොල්ලෝ තනියෙන් හදන්න. හදුවයින් පස්සේ මගේ solution එක බලන්න. Now I'm going to explain page number 22 example 1 Roman number 1. First of all, you do this alone, then refer my explanation. And always once you are given your values across way, please write them downwards. If not, it is difficult to do these additions. Right. Now let's see how to do this. 1 plus 1. 2 ne 2 කියලා දාන්න. 2 means 1 0. කොට අපි 0 දානවා 1 remain. So the 0 plus 0 0 remain 1 1. Now 1 plus 1 2. 2 means 1 0. Put 0 1 remain. Now, then 1 1 2 අර 2 එකයි මේ 1 එකයි 3 වෙනවා. So 3 දාන්න බෑ. 3 කියන්නේ binary වලින් කොහමද එන්නේ? 2 sorry 3 කියන්නේ within 3 there is one multiple of 2. 2 times 1 2 remain 1. එහෙනම් Decimal 3 equals to binary 1 1. So 3 කියන්නේ 1 1. එතකොට අපි 1 දාලා තව 1 එකක් ඉතුරු වෙනවා. එතකොට 1 plus 1 I 2 කියන්නේ 2 means 1 0. So this is the answer for Roman number 1 of your example 1 in page number 22. 1 0 1 0 1 0. Hope all of you very clear this. Then we'll move to second example. They are given 1 1 1 0 and this base 2 in words no need to write. As a number you can write. Right? This is addition. Right. Now let's see how to do this. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 2 means 1 0. Put 0 remain 1. Then 1 plus 1 2 remain 1 3. 3 means 1 1. Put 1 again 1 is remain. Then that 1 and this 1 2. 2 means 1 0. So answer is 1 0 1 0 1. Hope you are very clear about these examples. All of you should take these examples to your writing book. After that, have a subheading, relationships of binary numbers when adding. When numbers in addition. Relationships of binary numbers in addition. කියලා මෙහෙම heading එක අරගෙන ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ page number 23 වල මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා relationships ටික. ඒ ටික ලියා ගන්න. ඒක ලියද්දී ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේක තවදුරටත් පැහැදිලි වෙනවා. 1 plus 0 base 2 මේ ඔක්කොම base 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 2 කියලා කියන්නේ නෑනේ අපි 1 plus 1 කියන්නේ 1 0. Right? Sorry. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 කියලා කියන්නේ right? That means the base 2. That means 1 1 base 2. So you have to remember these relationships when you are doing exercise 2.3. I hope this is very clear for you children. Then let's move to subtracting binary numbers. Before you are watching the subtracting part, please complete exercise 2.3. Okay, students, hope you have successfully completed exercise 2.3. Now let's move to learn the theory to do subtracting binary numbers. Have the heading 2.4, subtracting binary numbers. Right, example 1. Take example 1. Simplify A 110 minus 1 base 2. Right, when you are given these things, better off writing downwards. 110 minus 1. Right. So at the very first you were taken a question to borrow, right? But we can manage, don't bother about this. So normally from 0 you can't subtract 1, no, then you are borrowing, right? So once you borrow, you remember this is 2 to the power 0, like ones, tens, hundreds. In our normal subtractions, this place for 2 to the power 1 and this place for 2 to the power 2. So when we are subtracting from 0 we can't borrow 1, no, right? Then we from 0 we can't subtract 1. Then we borrow from this position 1. Once we borrow 1 here, 2 there are no. So once come in 1 here, right? This is 1 and now here remain 1. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Now here it's remain 1. Then that 1 and here just, right? This place means, what is the meaning of this place then? Right? Did you get it? 1 second, because this place is not clear. 1 minute. I'll write in separately. Then you won't understand. Right. 1, 1, 0, 1. You're subtracting. Then 0 minus 1, you can't subtract. No, simply you think in this way. Then you borrow here. Now here will be 1, here will be 0. Then 1 minus 1, 0. Now here, no number, it is 0. Then here, 1. So 110 minus 1 is 100. Right? In your book, it is a small mistake. Right? They have given a separate answer in page number 24. 110 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. Then here 0. No. Then here just remain 0. Then here 1. 100. Hope you understood this. Right. Well, let's move to another example. Now think you have to simplify 1101 minus 111. Think such a question is there. Then here base 2. Then how to do this? Right? 1 minus 1, 0. Now here 0. Then you borrow from this. Then from this 2 coming 1. Right? Once you borrow 1, it's coming 2. Right? You want to remember that way. Once you borrow 1, it is 2. Then 2 minus 1, 1. Now here again, now this place will be 0 once you borrow 1. Then again you borrow 1 for this. Then it's 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Now this place doesn't have anything. If you want, you can put this 0. If not, without putting this 0 also, you can wait. Then answer is 1, 1, 0. We don't consider about this front 0. Putting that or not is not a big problem. Okay. And please see, I have done a small mistake there. Please see, children. It's a small mistake. I have to correct it. Right? Please see it again. 0 minus 1, I put here 0. No, it's a mistake. As you borrow 1, as 1 come in here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, it's a mistake. Now only I got it. I see it. Right? Now here 0. Then that 0 put. Here answer is 101. Extremely sorry. It was a mistake of mine. I hope now you all fully clear. Right? Again, I explain. 0 minus 1, you can't subtract. Then you borrow 1. As 1 coming 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Now here 0. Then 0. Then this one you are putting here. B part, when you are doing 1 minus 1, 0. From 0 can't subtract 1. Then borrow 1. As 1 coming 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Then here 0 minus 1 you can't do. Then again you borrow 1 as 1 coming 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Then here 0. 0 එක දැම්මත් එකයි නැතත් එකයි. අනිවාර්යෙන් base 2 කියන එක ලියන්නම ඕනේ. Right. තව දෙයක් තියෙනවා මෙතන කරන්න. දැන් ඕගොල්ලන්ට අවශ්‍ය නම් මෙහෙමත් confirm කරගන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේ subtraction එකනේ, හැබැයි ඕගොල්ලෝ මෙන්න මේ දෙක add කළොත් මේ answer එක එන්න ඕනේ. බලන්න. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ addition expert නේ, addition කරලානේ ආවේ. 1 1 2 කිව්වට අපි 2 කියන්නේ නැහැ. 1 + 1 කියන්නේ 1 0. ඒතර 0 දැම්ම 1 remain. තේරෙනවද මං කියන එක? 1 0 1 එකයි 1 එකයි add කරලා බලන්න. 1 1 කියන්නේ 1 0. ඒතර 1 remain. ඒ 1 එක එනවා. ආයෙ මෙතන 1. ඒතර 1 1 10 ආවනේ. 1 1 0 ආවනේ. එතකොට okay කියලා confirm කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ ගානෙත් එහෙමයි. මෙන්න මේ places දෙක දැන් මේක subtraction එකක්නේ. මේ දෙක add කරලා බලන්න. 111 and 110. එතකොට එන්න ඕනේ 1101 answer එක බලන්න add කරලා එනවද කියලා. 101 1110 0 දැම්ම 1 remain. ඒතර 1113 කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ 11. ආව නේද 1101. අන්න එහෙම අපිට confirm කරගන්න පුළුවන්. mentally මේවා ලියලා බලන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. Mentally we can confirm that we are correct by adding your answer and the above number. That's all then. By referring this video very well, you can attempt on all the exercises till the miscellaneous exercise. And remember children, when you are doing the miscellaneous exercise, you have to do simplifications with 3 values. But I advise you, don't do all 3 together. Like right? Don't do all 3 together. First you do these 2. First 2 you do. Then for that answer, do the addition or subtraction of the third one. Right? Straight away, don't do all. Then you will have some stuck-ins. Right? So do separately. So I hope you all will be doing this lesson successfully and complete all the exercises and wait till I send you the solutions. Thank you.